It's here. Okay, so I ordered new hanging baskets. These I'm really excited about. New slotted trays and new heavy duty solid trays. And I've never had these before, germination trays, which are shallow for plugs. Must mean the baskets are another box. Yes. Oh, these are good. So these are 10 inchers. These are succulent pots. Oh. These are 12s. These are cute. And the tray inside, and then this part I don't think matters. Maybe 2 or 3 in the big one? I don't know. Decisions to make. Decisions. I do know I need to use these right away. It is about 90 degrees in here right now. Right, big old mess. This is why I like 3.5 inch. I think they're 3.5 inch. Here's look at the roots on that. He's ready to go. This weekend I'm potting up at large pots. I do a big trip. See what we can find for new things in greenhouses. Some things I've bought already, some things I already owned. Yeah, they just don't fit as nice. Get 3 of those. begonia. What else do I have? Beautiful, beautiful Triscantia bridal veil. And a bunch of stuff above. All of these trays I need to transition, so I'll go do that now. I have some lemongrass to inside, maybe. I should go look for that. I know there's a couple pots that I have to get out here. This one. I don't have enough. Well, everything gets to go to this new home this weekend, so hopefully get everything kicked out in time. This one. Hoping these bounce back soon. I had to cut them back. They're getting leggy in the greenhouse, and I just hope that they're doing okay. These are actually my favorite pots to pot in. 2-inch, maybe.